Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling core services, open settings, and go straight to privacy, location. Turn the location/GPS toggle on so your phone can receive satellites. Once done, set app permissions to while using for maps and navigation because continuous background access drains battery. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are active to assist initial fix, and confirm your time zone is correct so coordinates match maps. This gets your device ready to acquire a satellite signal quickly. Next, you open your chosen Maps app and grant precise location access. This combines GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data for accuracy. Then switch location mode to high accuracy if the phone offers it. This forces GPS plus network positioning for faster locks. Calibrate the compass by moving your phone in a figure 8 to correct heading errors. This helps turn-by-turn directions. Make sure you're outdoors or near a window for a clear sky view, because obstructions delay satellite lock and reduce precision. Finish by verifying a stable GPS fix. Look for a 3D lock and an accuracy reading, ideally under 10 meters. If the signal is weak, toggle airplane mode or reboot your phone to restart the radio. This often forces a fresh satellite handshake. Make sure apps are updated, and if needed, clear the Map app cache or perform an assisted GPS reset from developer or diagnostic tools. If problems persist, move to an open area. Then repeat calibration. This usually resolves persistent drift or no.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.